27 alkaline foods can stop cancer, heart problems or obesity. Processed foods are bad for us and we know this, but still we want to eat them. Sugar desserts, GMO and fast food are all harmful. Still, we act so unaware. Our pH is changed with such foods and health endangered. We make our organisms acidic and risk illnesses when in fact we have to be alkaline. Why then we eat bad foods and not healthy ones? The acidic organism is a great home for diseases and bad immunity. You have to first be conscious of what you eat. To help you do so, read all these alkaline food items and restore health. You never must wait to be sick to eat healthy. 1. Melon. The melon is pH 8.5 and is a great cleanser. Eat it always and always fresh. Also any kind of a melon. The watermelon is full of fibers and has 92% water. 2. Swiss chard. This protects us from free radicals, viruses and bacteria and is highly alkaline. 3. Olive oil. This oil is abundant in monounsaturated fats, vitamin E and is one of the best foods there are. 4. Buckwheat. If you eat wheat you didn't try buckwheat still. It protects your heart, keeps you satiated and gives energy. 5. Flaxseed. This has a lot of vitamin E, is alkaline and anti-inflammatory too. It also helps in menopause flashes reducing. Alkaline item foods, berries, antioxidants, bananas, superfood, avocados, monounsaturated fats, broccoli, reduces cholesterol, garlic, for pressure, carrots, beta-carotene for vision, alfalfa sprouts, enzymes for hormonal balance, pineapple, weight loss, grapes, antioxidants and multivitamins, fermented foods, sauerkraut/probiotic, Brussels sprouts, anti-cancer, lemons, cold, flu, seaweed, iron and reducing acidity, grapefruit, vitamin A and C, cauliflower, bread replacement, parsley, cleanses intestines, cucumber, healthy skin due to 90% water, quinoa, leveling blood sugar, oranges, for cold, spinach, for iron, mango, cleanse of colon, papaya, removal of colon toxins/laxative.